You have heard the promise before. Build a complete website and funnel system for free. Usually when you look into it, there's a catch. Well, today, my presenter Joshua is going to show you an actual platform that does what it says on the tin. It will give you a free access to a very powerful platform that performs all the functions that are needed for you to successfully do your marketing. Take it away, Josh.
Thanks, Peter. So what if you could start a profitable digital business, like right now, without spending a single dollar? I know. It sounds a little too good to be true, but it's not. In the next few minutes, we're going to break down the exact proven blueprint for you step by step. This is the biggest question, isn't it? It's the thing that stops almost everyone in their tracks, the fear of financial risk. Can you really build something that actually makes money from scratch with zero capital? The answer is 1,000% yes, and I'm about to show you exactly how it's done. Take a look at this number, 1,264. Now, this isn't just some random number I pulled out of thin air. That's the exact number of high-quality email leads. We're talking real interested people that were generated in just 30 days completely for free using the exact methods we're about to cover. This isn't just theory. These are real-world results. And look, this strategy, it comes from someone who has truly walked the walk. Molly Kaiser literally started with less than $1 to her name and built a multi-million-dollar digital business. Her journey is all the proof you need that you don't need a trust fund to succeed. You just need the right blueprint. So let's dive into her framework. Okay. So this whole zero-cost model, it really just rests on 3 core pillars. If you can get these 3 things right and you're using only free tools, you'll have a complete self-sustaining business. It really is that straightforward. So here's how it breaks down. You need something to sell, right? Your products. You need a place to sell it. That's your platform. And you need a way to get customers, which is your promotion engine. We're going to tackle each one of these, and I promise I'll show you the free solution for every single step. Let's start with what you're going to sell. So what can you actually create and sell for free? You might be surprised at how much is possible. Let's look at 5 really powerful digital products you could build, like today without spending a dime. You could write an ebook that solves one very specific problem for somebody, or maybe a membership for ongoing exclusive content. You could build out a full online course, design some cool time-saving digital templates, or even sell recorded workshops. Honestly, they're all just different containers for packaging and selling your unique expertise. Now here's the best part. You can create all of these, every single one, using one incredibly powerful and totally free tool, like Canva, where you can design professional-looking ebooks, create slick slide decks for your courses, and you can even record the video lessons right inside the platform. It's basically a complete creation studio, and the free version is all you need to get started. Okay, product, check. You've created it for free, but now you need a place to actually host it and sell it. You need an online HQ, and you guessed it, you can build this for free too. This right here is your zero-cost tech stack. It's your entire toolkit. We already know Canva is for creation. Google Drive, perfect for hosting your large course videos and files, all for free. Need to do live coaching calls? Google Meet has got you covered. And then there's the mothership that ties it all together, a tool called System.io. We really have to focus on System.io for a second, because this tool is an absolute game changer. This isn't some 14-day free trial. We're talking about a permanently free account for up to 2,000 email subscribers. It gives you a website builder, course hosting, sales funnels, email marketing, everything, all in one spot. This is the free command center for your entire business. And don't think free means clunky or limited. The website builder inside System.io is fantastic. It's got professional templates, a super easy drag and drop editor, and you can build a beautiful, fully functional site that honestly looks like you paid a designer thousands of dollars for it. All right, so you've got a free product and a free platform to sell it on. Now for the final and maybe most crucial piece of the puzzle, getting customers. You need a consistent, reliable, and free way to drive traffic. You need a customer engine. I mean, let's be real. Paid ads are crazy expensive and they're just getting worse. And platforms like Instagram and TikTok, they're built on interruption. You're just kind of hoping someone stops scrolling for 2 seconds. They are terrible for reliably turning a random viewer into an actual email subscriber. So what's the free and frankly better alternative? The answer is a simple but incredibly powerful YouTube engine. Why YouTube? Well, because it's a search engine. People go there actively looking for solutions to their problems. So here's the plan. First, you post one valuable video a week that helps solve a problem. Second, in that video, you offer a related freebie, a checklist, a guide, something helpful. You're giving value first. And third, people watch, they download the freebie, and just like that, they automatically join your email list. It becomes a machine that attracts your perfect customers 24/7. And this is the fundamental shift we're talking about here. The old way was just burning through cash on ads, crossing your fingers, and hoping for a return. The new method is creating valuable content that attracts your ideal customers to you for free month after month. It's a no-brainer. Now let's see how these three pillars connect, because this is where the magic really happens. They don't just work on their own. They create a self-sustaining business flywheel that actually fuels its own growth. It all kicks off with your product, specifically that freebie or lead magnet we talked about. This thing acts like the perfect bait, attracting people who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer because you're solving a small, immediate problem for them. Next up, your platform, that awesome System.io website takes over. This is where those leads land after they grab your freebie. It's where you get to build trust, provide even more value, and eventually present your paid products in a really professional, no-pressure environment. And finally, your engine, your YouTube channel, is just constantly working in the background. It's serving up helpful content that finds new people who are actively searching for your solutions, and it points them right back to your free product, starting that whole cycle all over again. See? Each piece just feeds the next. So there you have it, the entire blueprint on one slide. You create your amazing entire business hub with System.io, and you generate an endless stream of customers using YouTube. The total cost to get all of this up and running? $0. Look, we've just completely dismantled the single biggest barrier to starting an online business: money. The tools are free. The strategy is proven. The only variable left is you. So with financial risk completely off the table, go ahead and click the link below to see the step-by-step way today for free.